Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna be showing you how to make a button to go faster in Studio Light. Fumbling out, finally came the day I stopped giving my heart away. You never know. I really don't know how to. We have to go play outside. Nobody cares.
I'm about to test out my new car. I think about it every time I look up.
Put the touch. You gotta put a touch activation. So you do G.
Put the touch at the what?
Shut up. So put the GUI activated script in it, and then GUI activated local, and then GUI touch GUI script, and then text label. But first you gotta add the speed. First you gotta go to starter GUI, then screen GUI, then make good speed, then do the buttons, then GUI activated scripts, then GUI activated local, then touch GUI scripts, then text label. Yep, GUI activated script. Look. There's a part on this obby where I can use it too. No! He's big and black, he will take your candy. Okay, he left. Okay, so crap. He's big and black, he will take your candy. That name is Randy. Faster. As you can see, I'm going faster. Peace.